everybody, how are you all? I hope that everything is going well. I'm doing great. I'm fantastic. Now I am here to say something and I have started my day with speaking English and you let me in the comment section. And as you know, I am not good at speaking English. Even so, I will be practicing English until I get success, and I think sooner or later I will get fluency, I think. And I am housewife, so I have to maintain my regularity and I have to speak English by hook or by crook. And I will be practicing English every day in my day-to-day life. All things I try to explain, all things I try to describe in English. And first of all, have a look the natural beauty, and right now I'm enjoying natural beauty and try to get up early in the morning, waking up early in the morning and get into habit of waking up early in the morning so that you can enjoy the morning beauty. Yes, and the sun is rising up over there, can you see? Yes, and the beauty of sunrise is breathtaking and I cannot be put into words. As you can say, it's amazing. The natural beauty always amazing. And whatever, let's talk about my topic. My topic is who are beginners, how cartoon help us to speak English, and one thing that how picture help us to speak English. So let's, if you are ready, get down to start. First of all, pictures. Which picture help us a lot to make sentences? And have a look. I found it from my daughter textbook. Have a look. This type of picture talk, it's a lesson of picture talking, and how children are speaking English, how children are learning this language easily. A fantastic great way how they are making sentences, this type of picture. And I found it from my daughter textbook, and I think that I have to share with you how can I make sentences with easily with pictures, different kind of picture. And when I saw that time, I think I want to show you, and you easily you can make sentences this type of picture. Always try to do that different kind of activity to improve your learning point, to improve your communication skill. Like this type of picture, you can make easily, you can make sentences about more than 10 sentences you can make easily, and you can apply in your day-to-day life. If you are practicing, if you are reading, if you are writing, but you are not doing any different kind of activity to learn to improve your English communication skill, so that's mean it may be slow down fluency. Yes, you can get slow down fluency if you practice, if you doing different kind of activity, that must you will get fluency sooner or later, like me. And you try to make sentences with this picture. Minimum 5 sentences you have to make. And second point, that is cartoon. Which cartoon and how cartoon help us a lot to speak English? Let me say you who are beginners, I mean zero level, they don't know about any idea, though they don't have any idea about it, how to learn, how to speak, and how to think, how to read. They don't have any idea. They must watch, from now they must watch English relative cartoon videos. Cartoon, why cartoon? Because cartoon help us a lot to understand meaning. Cartoon help us a lot to understand what's happening. Action, you can get it easily with English subtitle. You can get it easily. And which cartoon should I have to watch? Look here, English Sing Sing. That's, I have been watching their cartoon for the last 2 months, and really I have improved from their cartoon videos. I can get easily, I can understand easily all the accent, and it's maybe 45 minutes, one videos maybe 45 minutes, so you can watch their videos. You get it easily, really believe me, you get into easily learning point, learning English. You can speak and you can apply in your day-to-day life all thing. and childrens really love to watch their video, and my daughter watch and I also watch. And it's our cartoons. As you know, cartoons are made up for children so that they can understand, and they must use simple sentences to so that children get it easily and children speak after listening. So that's why I'm telling you, you start from your simple goal. You can start, no need to at first no need to watch a blog video, no need to watch English public speaker, no need to watch. You can start with simple goal. It will help you a lot. This type of simple sentence, this type of simple tips, it will help you a lot to speak English, to get into easily. That's why I'm telling you, you must watch this type of cartoon video. And it's our not native language, as you know, so we can't use English freely in our day-to-day life. So what should I do? If you practice every day, if you watch again and again, then it will become your habit over time, and your tongue also will get used to speaking English sooner or later. Don't think after few weeks, after few months, it will become your habit, believe me. And I have following English this kind of activity, and I always try to find this kind of activity to improve my communication skill every day. And you have to make sentences, you have to make sentences about about those picture, and you must watch English cartoon videos every day. If you are beginner, if you don't know the meaning of sentences, you don't know the meaning of vocabulary, you must visit their cartoon videos and you must watch English Sing. I say you again, English Sing is really helped me a lot to speak English. That's why I'm telling you, must visit. So thank you for watching my video, and from now you have to start to speak English, to learn this language. Don't think I will start tomorrow. Don't think about it, because there is no time like present. So you have to start from now. Thank you for watching my video, say again, and please keep enjoying, keep going. You can speak, you can keep speaking English. Bye bye. Thank you for watching.